Jello's here. Hello. Say hi.
Hello from Miami.
Are you okay? You're sleepy. We're walking na. Nasa airplane ka. Ang ganda naman ng view. Tomahawk for dinner. Ayan. O, diba? Diyan ka kasi. Labas na. Labas na. Thank you, ate. Jala, look. Okay.
Kayo mag-drive car.
Parang di mabali, gano'n.
Park and fly kasama ng kotse. Tapos from there, register ka na nabayan. Then may shuttle yan sila. Very convenient yan. Dahil sunod ka.
Tapos paano pag galing ka na sa airport?
Text mo yan sila kapag yung gamit mo masama.
Nandiyan ka upang umawa. Easy, sorry. Tapak ako. Tulog mo.
Basically, yan sa... Feeling ko kasi naamoy nila yung sinerve na sardines.
Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon na pala. It's 1:30 p.m. and I'm here somewhere sa south. And I just wanna share na this view is so peaceful. Ang calm, ang hangin, and the view is really good. Ito, tignan niyo. Diba, you can hear also the birds if you can hear sa vlog kasi naka-mic. Pero yeah, you can hear the birds and mahangin. Yung hangin is malamig, hindi siya mainit. It's so relaxing. Malapit lang siya sa city but it feels like hindi siya sa city. Ito talaga yung staycation namin, short staycation namin. Pag dito kami, we consider it na ano siya, staycation na relax, calmness, and peace of mind. Kasi nagluluto-luto din kami dito. Nag-grill, basta nagluluto ng iba't ibang mga food. Feel ko in the future, gusto ko yung ganitong setting. Like near siya sa city, pero hindi mo mafe-feel yung harsh environment sa city. Gusto ko may madaming makikitang greens, mahangin, and yung neighborhood is hindi magulo, tahimik lang. Yeah, it's really nice. Look at this, diba?
Thank you, Thank you, Alan. Thank you, Jenna. Thank you, for...
This is our food, tilapia, sigarilyas, chicken ass, seafood boil, and pancit.
May fried fish yung parang kakasama.
Now, Sarah, you think it's possible to have a physical reaction to this place? Maybe something like a diagnosis.
Good morning! Good morning!
Good morning.
Hello!
Hello, happy Saturday. And what a Saturday, what a weekend. This is a formula for a perfect weekend. My current perfect weekend. Walang sound ng cars. And I'm reading. Having a break from school stuff, school responsibilities. Yeah, grateful. And also matching pajamas. Wala lang akong sunglasses.
Hello! So we're here. And also this is a new neighbor dito. And ganda ng view if you can see pa here. Check this out. Ang ganda. May view to. And also kita yung parang dito yung Aslex na side eh. Ay! Si Jalo yung sundan. Dito ako. I'm here. Ah. Happy weekend, guys. Happy long weekend.
Ito daw siya doon. Ibig sabihin yan daw sa gilid.
And
Kanaman.
Amazing.
Mamaya.
hello, my God.
Oh my God! Seryoso?
Joke lang. There! There yung camera! Yung camera there! Bago yan!
Uy! Wala pa yung bakla ah.
Pero on yun, may underground parking. May park. Could be. Or bakang park ba dito? Ako na lang. Kasi dito sa side ko.
Bakit?
Akin na yan, lagyan mo dito.
Ayok.
Dito ko lang sa kabilang.
Alright. Pala mo
Sawadi!
kasi may kliyente ako. Oo, may kliyente pala. Tatlo agad eh.
Hi, Alan. Welcome back to the family. Kita mo yung handa namin kagabi?
Oh, grabe.
Diba? Sarap.
Hindi nakita ko rin sa AI. Please provide.
Feel
free to chat GPT and
Andy.
Inom ng kami.
Oh yeah. Oh, morning, good morning, good morning, good morning.
Progressive, fight. Let's go.
Let's go, my love.
Umaga sa inyong lahat. Hindi ka magdala ng pag Sampu yung lumabas.
Di ba pwedeng gusto na namin kasama?
Sino nag-invite si
Yung Toyota, babe. Yung Mazda yung nag-invite.
Sino nga? Siyempre Lexus na.
First in the Philippines. First in the Philippines.
Ano yung nasa yung kabila?
Also, nice.
Hi, we're here sa South Lakes Estate. Sinamahan namin si Ate George to her Lexus event. Breakfast to lunch event. And right now we're having, I think, brunch na to. May longganisa, tapa, tocino, achara, and my mojito. Going for a test drive Lexus GX 550. Yeah, ang
This
luwag.
is pure gasoline.
Oh, gasoline.
I-start ko na para ano. Pure gasoline.
Yes, 3.5 V6 engine po. Ready to go ka na, ma'am? Sige po.
Yung Lexus mo ba?
Tapos right.
I mean, nagagaan na ako.
Mas maganda.
Pag-sure.
Pwede siya, ano,
Oo, yung ganun.
Kasi
Ate, pasensya na, uwi na muna kami.
may nakalimut. Diyan lang naman.
Sige, bouncy na.
Power ka.
We're done. Ganda. Ang lambot ng wheels and yung steering wheel niya. Lambot. And bouncy lang siya. Medyo may hilo kapag hindi ka sanay sa bouncy. So hindi ko siya bibilang kasi bouncy.
We're expecting the first to build by the end of the year. We have 4 already who have submitted. These are the clients who purchased way back last year, only 2025. The clubhouse is there. That's a massive 1.1 hectare club. These are the big lots here on the right. And then these lots here are the ones across there. That you kind
one?
of this one, this black. This
Ah,
one.
yung gusto mo
There.
ate.
This one,
Yung sa gitna kasi.
this one is elevated there.
Oh.
Ayun.
Yung elevator.
Yeah. So okay, we're here like this, no? So we are right here, standing in
Ito
front.
yung road na, yung
Yeah,
road
this
na
is
to.
the road. We're in the road. So these